And then, so we talked about, how real racers are using this to train and stuff. But what about the flip side? Are there guys who get started on iRacing and sim racing and then convert those skills into the real world?
Yeah, and that's that's what, like Ty Majeski and William Byron, those two names that I brought up earlier, they're probably the best examples of that. But I think what we're trying to build for the future is something where a lot of the guys who are in, our top series right now, whether you're talking the eNASCAR Coca-Cola iRacing series, the Porsche Tag Heuer Esports Super Cup, our World of Outlaws series, whatever it may be, we're certainly trying to build a platform to where we can bridge that gap to the real world. Where it's really difficult is how much it costs to run, real events, even events that aren't that costly, like a super late model. It can still add up. And if you're not, fairly well sponsored, or if you're not coming from money, it can almost be impossible to break in. But, we're certainly trying to build a product where the guys who are able to break in can be successful very quickly. And I think that we've done, I think the past decade or so, some of the drivers who have been able to come through, have demonstrated that, it's, and I can see there are a bunch of different drivers that are in our eNASCAR series, in our Porsche series, that I think if they got into a real car and had a real season, of resources, I think they do very well. I think it's hard to expect anybody to go win a championship in anything out of the gate, but I think they would all do very, very well.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. Alright, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats, and all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. Alright, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.